We're steadily running out of room in our garage, so a bike rack on wheels made sense. This is the first time I've used AI to aid in designing, and it worked pretty well. When building the front wheel area, make sure to measure both your tallest and shortest bike, and add extra because when lifting the back wheel over the bottom beam, you need extra space. To help make it bottom heavy and for more storage, I added the bottom area to the back. For the front wheels, definitely get some locking wheels. I might not have braced the top shelf enough, but I'm stingy with wood and I'm not putting much weight up there. I've been holding off on getting my own bike due to space issues, so I'm excited to add a fourth. If you need more space, I've put together details with dimensions on my site. Mahalo for watching!